Alright guys, so fixing to show you how to make some easy removable fencing. Okay, so quick garden tip. If you have something that has to be weeded or needs to be protected, you can make removable fences. So these are just short fence posts that I screwed into a frame that I then ran wire across. So it's just like a garden wire or a fencing wire with the little squares. And there's another one. You can see I needed to clean out the asparagus bed and weed it, and then there's where it's protected, so that way you can keep the chickens out or the dogs from running through the asparagus, but yet I can take it out and I can like clean it out. So there's another quick tip of something that if you need it, you need some fencing and you need it to be removable, here's a possibility. So right here you can see a very invasive weed that we have around here, and when it's really small it's hard to weed or to weed out of your beds, but if you'll let it grow to a pretty good size, you can just actually grab the whole thing at once and shake it out. And so that's better than just picking the little bitty ones when they come up. So there you go. Okay, so here you can see that the bed has been cleaned out and I've actually replaced these. And so what happens is over time you pretty much have a hole that's permanent and it just like pops right back down in the hole. You just kind of tap it down a little bit. I have rocks underneath if I need it because this actually inclines and then goes back down. And so what these are just pressure treated 2x2s, and they're supported in the corners, and then the long ones supported in the middle with braces. And then like I said, the fencing is actually stapled onto it, or you can take chicken wire staples and put that in there. And so that's all you have to do. So this one has this right here, and this one we ran out of 2x2, so we ended up cutting this triangle here. And then this is just the fencing, and here is the fence post, and it's screwed in there with decking screws. So that's all you gotta do. Removable fencing.